What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy 𝓲𝓘𝓷𝓽𝓮. Your boy got that box. I got that box. Oh, I got that box. The Apple Series 5 watch. I got a box. Bree. Beauty over 40. I got a box. It's the lady. I got a box. Oh. Let me see what all this watch is. It do so much. I'm about to show you on the website, y'all. This watch, you never seen a watch like this before. This watch has a display that never sleeps. It can be customized any way you like with materials that you love. This watch has an app to keep your eye on your heart. Old people like me need it. And it tells you things are getting a little loud, cause my ear thing don't work, my hearing aid sometimes, y'all. It lets you track your cycle with a tap. Oh, that's a clap. This watch helps you crush your fitness goals, like getting up, walking to the refrigerator and sitting back down, stuff like that. And it motivates you to move, exercise, and stand. See, I'm a slacker. I ain't doing all that. They keep that feature. And you can stream your favorite 60 million songs on this watch, y'all. This watch has a great sense of direction. Ooh, it gets apps in a snap. And it lets you go without your phone. With your cellular phone, you can call from the trail, text and some more stuff. And you can pay for surf fast and talk the ear-offer series like my son. Did we mention this? This watch also tells time. Ooh, look at he's sexy. Ooh, he's sexy. See the Apple Series Watch 5. You open this page in Safari. But we're going to do, you can create your own style, your own band. You can compare models and all that you did. I got a box. You see, Bree, you see this box? You see this box? Okay. Ooh, we all done here, y'all. I got a box. Let me see what's in this box. We're going to leave it right here on something sexy. Box! Ooh, Apple Watch Series 5. Let's see what we got in this box. You got to open it slowly. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, let's see. Bam! Ooh, let's see. You got to take it off slowly. What we got here? Bam! We got it here. Ooh. Hold on, I took that out too fast, y'all. So we're gonna take this out slow. What we got in here? What we got in here, y'all? Can't get this over fast now. I'm like a little kid. I'm gonna tear this box off. I'm gonna tear this like this. Ooh, I got a watch band. Bam! Ooh, sexy watch band going on. What else we got in this box? We got the charger. Ooh, I got a charger. Ooh, he's sexy. This ain't it. Ooh, this for your heart. Is this for your heart rate? You put this for your heart rate, y'all? Huh? Got the charger right here. See what we got in here. We got the watch face. Ooh, what else we got in here? We got some instruction papers. Cause I'm sure need these. I just go on YouTube and watch the video. I ain't finna read no instructions. Let's see what we got here. Get started and all that. Bam! Let me put my band on. I gotta put my band on because I gotta pull him out sexy. I gotta pull him out already sexy. Hold on, what's this? Bam! Woo! 𝓲𝓘𝓷𝓽𝓮 got a watch. Let's see. English, United States. Start pairing your watch. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can pair this watch right quick. Maybe later. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what I can do here, y'all. Ooh, I love this. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Can I pair my watch?
Christmas Day isn't today. It's on December 25th.
Sure, ain't nobody talking to you. Trying to pair my... Well, I can't even pair my phone. Let me see. Let me stop this. I get my screen going, y'all. They ain't gonna let me use the screen, y'all. Playing with your boy. Let me see. Using all these free too. Okay, what it says? Start parent. Please start parent. Bam. Put my hand behind. Let me put this behind. See. so you can see. Put that right there. Okay, see, seems like I can't cast my screen. I'm not editing this video. We're gonna come back here. Ooh, put that right there. See? Put that right there. Well, I guess you do. You start parent. So you go to your phone. Let me see. Go to your phone. Guess you look for your watch. I'm sorry I can't show y'all this. Start parent. Oh, that right there. You gotta hold this to the thing, to the face. Ooh. See that? It's pairing, y'all. Pairing my iPhone 11. I don't need the Pro. See that? iPhone 11 and my Pro Series 5 watch. Apple Series. And I got extra bands. How you charge this thing? I guess you lay them down here. See you lay them down here? Ooh, just like that, y'all. See that? Bam! See that? Ooh. He's sexy. I gotta roll it. Y'all. I gotta roll it. Ooh. How you look? How you look on the wrist? How you look on the wrist? Hold on. Let me light him up. Let me light him up. Let me light him up. Let me light him up, Bree. With the aluminum case. Let me see. Ooh. Ooh. Do he look like that? Ooh. It's your boy 𝓘𝓵𝓷𝓽𝓮 in the building. I just want to know what else I got in this box before I go. Well, you know I gotta open the whole box. Oh, my Pro Series 5. See the picture? See the picture, y'all. So I sure hate y'all can't see this right. But we good, see? It's pairing to the phone right now, see that? It's the pairing mode, see? It's pairing right now, y'all, see that? The iPhone 11 with the Apple Watch Series 5. It just came out to your local supermarket. You already know how I do it. It's your boy 𝓘𝓵𝓷𝓽𝓮 in the building. Leave it down below, because I'm going to play with my new watch, Bree. I'm gone.